Coronavirus has taken a lot away from us, but it can't take away your love and it can't take away celebrating either. Because there's still a way to celebrate while still keeping everyone safe. Virtual weddings. Today, we're continuing our virtual wedding series and talking about another way to make your virtual wedding special with the pros. Hi there, I'm Jamie Chang, your destination wedding planning guru and designer of joy at Mango Muse Events and the creator of Passport to Joy, the step-by-step online wedding planning course for couples. And I share real and honest and useful wedding planning tips, tricks, and advice you can use to help make planning your wedding easier and more joyful so you can create a wedding you love. Because let's be honest, wedding planning isn't always happy. It can be super stressful, especially now, and sometimes downright painful. And nobody wants that. So we're bringing the joy back to wedding planning. Are you ready? All right, so let's do this. Now, we are continuing our virtual wedding series and talking about how to make this virtual wedding special because, coronavirus has taken a lot away from us, right? And we can't do a lot. And weddings, as we know them, are just not possible. And we all understand why. The restrictions are important. But coronavirus can't take away your love, and it can't take away your ability to celebrate. And let's be honest, that's kind of more important now than ever, to celebrate. And the great thing is that you have an option. You have virtual weddings, which means you can celebrate in a way that's still, safe for everyone, which is important. Now, we are continuing our virtual series today, and we're talking about another way to make your virtual wedding special. Because, virtual weddings are a little different, right? They're not the normal wedding. It's not your traditional wedding. And in many ways, that's awesome. And if you've been watching our other videos, you also know that there's a lot of freedom in that. Freedom in the non-traditional, which means that, you can have fun with it. You can do things a little differently. You can be a little weird. You can be a lot weird, and that's totally okay, and sometimes maybe even better. By the way, if you haven't checked out our other videos about virtual weddings, you definitely should. So make sure you check those out and make sure you hit subscribe so that you can get access to all the new ones. All right, so back to virtual weddings. They are different, right? But they're still your wedding day. And as such, your wedding day should still feel and be special, even if it's virtual, right? It should still feel awesome. It should still be amazing, and it can be. And we're talking about another way today, and that is how to make your virtual wedding special with the pros. Now, I want to talk first about sort of the core of your wedding. And when it comes down to it, when it comes down to the things that matter, there are really sort of 4 key things. 4, okay? And that's really, first, getting married. Getting married to the one that you love. 2, celebrating with the people that you love. 3, making the day yours, which means that it's unique, it's personal, it's meaningful. And 4, being able to enjoy all of that, being able to enjoy every moment. Now, getting help from the pros means you can fully experience all of that. You can fully experience all of the things that make your wedding day your wedding day. And that's what helps make your virtual wedding special. Because, getting married isn't just about getting married. It isn't just about, signing that license. It's about sharing your love and having a ceremony that has the right tone with the right pieces and shares, who you are and your relationship. And then celebrating with your loved ones is about more than just, a video chat. It's about the experience of celebrating them and celebrating with them. These are really important people in your life. They've been a part of your life, perhaps since you were a baby. And it's important that you honor them and have them take part in your celebration and make sure it's fun for them too. And then making the day yours is, not just about putting your name and your date on everything. It's about being true to who you are. It's about celebrating in a way that fits your personality, fits your relationship, fits your style. And celebrating in a way and creating a wedding in a way that feels like you. Being able to enjoy your wedding day is not just about being happy. And being happy is super important. But it's about being fully present. It's about being fully present in the experience. So you can just live in the moment. You can feel those emotions and not have to think about sort of anything else but what you're feeling right then and there, what you're feeling right now. And so getting help from the pros for your virtual wedding means creating a wedding day that you can fully enjoy, that represents who you are, that shares your love in your way, and allows you to interact and share in that experience with your guests. Because even though your wedding is virtual, you should still have all those moments and all those emotions and be able to feel those emotions that make up that wedding day. You should be able to experience it as you normally would. So utilizing professional vendors really helps to make that experience happen because it means it's not all on you. It means you get to be a participant, an engaged person in this moment. You're not a host, a wrangler, an IT guy, a cake baker, a floral designer, a DJ. You're not all those things. You're you in this moment getting married to the person that you love. And that's a big part of what makes your wedding day special. Not to mention the fact that when you get, a chance to work with a professional, you get an experience that's high quality and personalized and something that your guests and you can enjoy. Because, like with anything, when you tap into sort of the skills and the experience of a professional, you get something you never thought was possible. And you don't have to do it yourself. And all of that helps to make your wedding day special. It helps to make your virtual wedding special. So as you're thinking through your virtual wedding, think about the pros as well and how they can help you to make this day special. Because they can really help. They can really help make your wedding day, make your virtual wedding day just as a normal wedding day would be. And who doesn't want that, right? Come on. Don't forget, you can also still totally have the big shindig party celebration later. There's no reason why you can't have both. There's no reason why you can't celebrate now. And I think that's part of what we're talking about and why you're watching this video, because you want to celebrate now. Which leads me to a really exciting announcement that I'm super excited to talk about. I have been working together with a group of amazing wedding partners here in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are launching a new virtual wedding service called Let's I Do This. Let's I Do This. And we're really excited. I'm super really excited. Super really excited? Yes, super really excited. Right now we're serving those couples based in the San Francisco Bay Area. But if you live outside the Bay and you're really interested in this, please send me an email and we'll talk. You can find all the links and all the info and learn more about what we're doing all below. Because we're really excited about it. Because, virtual weddings are awesome. And they can be awesome. And they can be just as amazing as a kind of normal wedding day. And we're here to help make that happen. So please check it out below. Now, today's question is, how will you utilize the pros to help create your virtual wedding and make it special? Let me know in a comment below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like it. Give us some thumbs up. You can check out our other videos for even more wedding planning tips. And please hit subscribe so you can get access to all the new ones. And if you want help through the entire wedding planning process as you're planning your wedding, please check out Passport to Joy, my online course. You can find out all the info and all the links will be below. Because You deserve to enjoy your engagement, no matter what your budget is, and even in the middle of a pandemic. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye!